Hey there, Redditors and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to fortify your Reddit account security and safeguard your online presence, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of enabling two-factor authentication on Reddit. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Here's how to enable two-factor authentication on Reddit. Head to the Reddit website and sign in if you're not already. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and select User Settings from the drop-down menu. Click the Safety and Privacy tab at the top of the User Settings page. Scroll down to the Advanced Security section and toggle on the Use Two-Factor Authentication switch. Type in your Reddit account password and click the Confirm button. Launch the Authenticator app you want to use, scan the QR code on the screen, and enter the 6-digit code it generates. Click the Complete Setup button. Once you authenticate successfully, click the OK button. Store a copy of the backup codes it provides in case you need to sign in and don't have your phone available. You can use those codes to sign in securely. The next time you sign into Reddit, you'll be prompted to enter the 6-digit 2FA authentication code from the Authenticator app you set up. Thank you for watching our guide. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in securing your Reddit account. If you want to stay informed about the latest tech tips, security measures, and social media platform updates, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our tech-savvy community.